You live in a world of whispers. While you are sleeping, while you are working, while you are trying to be a good person, narratives are being constructed around you. Stories are being told. Reputations are being built, and reputations are being dismantled. Most people believe that gossip is a sin. They believe it is the weapon of the weak, the petty, and the bored. They tell you to ignore it. They tell you, great minds discuss ideas, small minds discuss people. This is a lie designed to keep you defenseless. In the realm of power, gossip is not idle chatter. It is information warfare. It is the invisible artillery that softens the enemy fortifications before the main assault. If you ignore gossip, you are walking through a minefield with a blindfold. If you participate in gossip recklessly, you are handling grenades with the pin pulled. But if you master the art of the poison seed, if you learn how to plant a rumor that grows by itself, that spreads like a virus, and that destroys your enemy without ever being traced back to you, you become a phantom. Sun Tzu says all warfare is based on deception. He says opaque, he is inaudible. Formless, he is unseen. Thus, he is the master of the enemy's fate. Today, we are going to teach you the dark art of strategic rumor generation. We are going to teach you how to plant the poison seed. We are going to show you how to destroy a rival's credibility, disrupt an alliance, or sow chaos in an organization, all while maintaining the innocence of a saint. This is not for the faint of heart. This is not for the moralists. This is for the warlords who understand that history is written by the winners, and the winners are the ones who control the narrative. Welcome to the Whisper Campaign, the physics of the virus. Before you can plant a rumor, you must understand why rumors spread. A rumor is not a fact. A fact is heavy. A fact requires proof. A rumor is a virus. It is light. It travels on the air. Why do humans share rumors? It is not just malice. It is currency. Information is social currency. When I tell you a secret, I am giving you something of value. I am signaling that I am in the know. I am signaling that I trust you. This triggers a dopamine hit in your brain. You feel special. You feel included. And to pay me back, you feel the urge to pass it on, to buy status with someone else. The poison seed works because it exploits three fundamental bugs in the human operating system. Confirmation. Bias, we believe stories that confirm what we already suspect. Negativity bias. We pay 10 times more attention to danger and scandal than to praise. The information gap. When there is a vacuum of information, the brain must fill it. If you provide the story, the brain accepts it to relieve the tension of the unknown. The amateur spreads a lie that is obviously false. John stole $1 million. This is rejected because it is too big. It triggers the immune system of skepticism. The warlord plants a seed that is plausible. The warlord plants a seed that confirms a suspicion people already have. The warlord does not shout. The warlord whispers. Phase 1. The soil analysis, target selection. You cannot plant a poison seed just anywhere. You must assess the terrain. Sun Tzu says, we are not fit to lead an army on the march unless we are familiar with the face of the country, its pitfalls and precipices. You must analyze the target and the audience. The target. What is their existing weakness? You cannot plant a rumor that contradicts their public persona entirely. If the target is known for being cheap, you cannot spread a rumor that they are recklessly spending money. It won't stick. But if they are cheap, you can spread a rumor that they are in financial trouble. That sticks. It aligns with the existing data. Find the crack in their armor. Is it their temper? Rumor, they are unstable. Is it their ambition? Rumor, they are planning a coup. Is it their personal life? Rumor, they are distracted. The audience, who are the carriers? You do not plant the seed directly in the ear of the decision maker. That is too risky. You plant it in the ear of the super carrier. Every office, every social circle has a gossip hub. The person who loves the drama, the person who cannot keep a secret. This person is your biological weapon. They are the wind that will carry the seed. Phase 2, the construction of the seed. A poison seed has a specific genetic structure. It is not a statement. It is a question. Statements can be denied. Questions linger. If you say Sarah is stealing clients, Sarah can prove she is not. She can sue you for slander. You are exposed. If you say, I'm worried about Sarah. She's been acting strange with the client list lately. Have you noticed that? This is unassailable. You are not accusing. You are worried. You are asking for a second opinion. But you have planted the concept, Sarah plus stealing. The structure of the perfect poison seed, the feigned concern. Cloak the malice in empathy. I hope John is okay. The vague detail. Do not be specific. Specifics can be disproven. I heard there was some trouble with the audit. The call to verify, you should check on him. Example scenario, you want to undermine a rival for a promotion? Let's call him Mike. Mike is high performing, but he is private. He doesn't talk much. The seed. You go to the office gossip. You look troubled. Hey, have you noticed Mike seems really tired lately? Like, exhausted? Gossip, I guess so. Why? You. I don't know. I just hope everything is okay at home. I heard some noises during his Zoom call, but I'm sure it's nothing. I just hope he can handle the pressure of this new project with all that going on. Analyze the payload. Tired/exhausted equals weakness. Noises/home equals domestic instability, alcohol, divorce, abuse. Can he handle the pressure equals competence question. You didn't say Mike is getting a divorce. You didn't say Mike is an alcoholic. But the gossip hears that. The gossip goes to the next person. Did you hear about Mike? I think he's having a breakdown at home. The story grows. It mutates. By the time it reaches the boss, it is Mike stable enough for this promotion? And you? You just asked if he was tired. You are a caring colleague. Phase 3, the delivery vector inception. Sun Tzu says, let your plans be dark and impenetrable as night. You must never be the source. You must be the echo. The best way to plant a rumor is to attribute it to the ether. People are talking. I've been hearing whispers. The word on the street is. This creates social proof. If people are talking, it must be true. It also protects you. If pressed, you can't reveal the source because the source is everyone. The concerned inquiry tactic. This is for meetings. You want to kill a project or damage a reputation in a group setting. Do not attack. Ask a question based on the rumor. Before we move forward with this vendor, I just want to clear something up. I heard some rumblings about their liquidity. I'm sure it's just talk, but have we seen their latest financials? Just to be safe? You have framed it as due diligence, but you have planted the seed, insolvent. Now everyone in the room is looking at that vendor with suspicion. Every delay in delivery will be interpreted as a sign of bankruptcy. You created a lens through which all future actions are viewed. The denial as confirmation tactic. This is Machiavellianism level 100. You spread the rumor by denying it. I don't believe the rumors that the CEO is stepping down. I think he's in great health. People shouldn't spread lies like that. You just told everyone the CEO might be stepping down. You just told everyone there are rumors about his health, but you did it while defending him. The brain ignores the not. The brain hears CEO plus stepping down plus bad health. This is how you assassinate a character while appearing to be their shield. Phase 4, the fertilizer, incubation. Once the seed is planted, you must let it grow. Do not overwater it. If you talk about it too much, you look obsessed. You look like the source. Plant it and walk away. Let the carriers do the work. Watch from the shadows. You will see the change in behavior. People will stop making eye contact with the target. People will stop inviting the target to meetings. The target will sense the shift. They will become paranoid. They will become defensive. And here is the beauty of the poison seed. The target's reaction will confirm the rumor. If the rumor is that Mike is unstable and under pressure, and Mike notices people whispering, Mike will get angry. He will snap. What are you looking at? And the audience will say, see, he snapped. The rumor is true. He is unstable. You have created a self-fulfilling prophecy. You have trapped them in a box where their defense looks like guilt. Phase 5, the harvest, exploitation. The rumor has taken root. The target is weakened. The alliance is fractured. Now you move. Sun Tzu says, take advantage of the enemy's unreadiness, make your way by unexpected routes, and attack unguarded spots. While everyone is distracted by the drama, while the target is busy fighting ghosts, you advance. You propose your project. You step into the leadership vacuum. You offer yourself as the safe pair of hands. It's a shame about Mike. He's a great guy, just going through a lot right now. I can take the lead on the Q4 presentation until he gets back on his feet. You are the hero. You're the savior. You stepped in to save the team from the instability that you created. Advanced tactics. The false flag rumor. Sometimes you need to destroy a rumor that is attacking you, or you need to distract the enemy from your real movements. You plant a false flag. You plant a rumor about yourself that is easily disproven. Let's say you are secretly planning a merger. People are suspicious. You plant a rumor that you are actually planning to resign. The enemy focuses on your resignation. They start jockeying for your job. They stop looking at the merger data. Then you announce the merger. You catch them completely off guard. Or if an enemy is spreading rumors about you, you plant a rumor that is so ridiculous, so over the top, that it makes all rumors about you seem crazy. If they say you are stealing office supplies, you have a friend start a rumor that you are actually a CIA agent. It muddies the waters. It turns the gossip into a joke. It breaks the frame, the ethics of the poison seed. You might be asking, is this evil? Is this wrong? We do not deal in moral judgment here. We deal in effectiveness. We deal in survival. Your enemies are using these tactics against you. They are planting seeds about you right now. If you do not understand the mechanics of the poison seed, you cannot defend against it. And you certainly cannot win. The Warlord does not complain about the rain. He learns to build an umbrella, or he learns to drown his enemies in the flood. Defense, how to kill the poison seed. If you are the target, if you feel the vines wrapping around your neck, how do you fight it? How do you kill a virus? Sunlight. Rumors die in the light. Do not be defensive. Address it head on, but with humor and disdain. I heard I'm having a breakdown. News to me. Who has that kind of imagination? Laugh it off. Frame it as absurd. The data nuke. Provide irrefutable proof immediately. If the rumor is financial, release the audit. If the rumor is about performance, release the numbers. Facts are the antidote to the virus. Find the source. This requires spycraft. Feed different versions of a fake story to 3 suspected leaks. Tell suspect A you are moving to New York. Tell suspect B you are moving to London. Tell suspect C you are moving to Tokyo. Wait to see which city comes back to you. When you hear Tokyo, you know suspect C is the traitor. Then you crush them. Conclusion: the silence of the master. The ultimate mastery of gossip is silence. The Warlord listens to everything but says nothing. You become the black hole of information. People tell you secrets because they know you don't spill them. You hoard these secrets. You catalog them. They are ammunition. And when the time is right, when the moment of decisive battle arrives, you do not need a sword. You do not need an army. You just need one whisper, one poison seed, dropped in the right ear at the right time, and the walls of Jericho will come tumbling down. Be the gardener of chaos. Be the master of the narrative. Win the war before they even know it has begun. On this channel, we cover a range of topics like the one in this video. If you enjoy this type of content, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Otherwise, we may never see each other again. See you again soon.